Happy Friday, A students. Hopefully yesterday you got some good practice in with test cards and you are really beginning to understand where and when to use commas in your writing. So today we're going to actually apply that to writing, and so let me show you what that might look like. First of all, we're still working with the question, how can I use commas to enhance the quality of my writing? Remember, all of this work that we're doing now is going to be applied to our essay when we do write that, okay? And we will. So, let's see if I can make this move. I don't know, it's acting weird. There we go. Okay, so today's activities, you just have two activities today. Practice with commas. This is a OneDrive assignment. So you'll be going in and opening the document and following the directions to practice with commas by the rule. And I'll show you that here in a second. And then at the end, very quickly as a formative assessment, which is more like a quick check for me to see if you guys need more practice with commas before our quiz on Monday. So hopefully you will be able to apply that to a paragraph, fix those mistakes that are definitely there, and I'll show you that too here in a second. So let's go ahead and go to Schoology. So this is what you're going to see today. You're going to be in the Friday folder working, and you're going to see commas practice. So when you click into that and you open your document, okay, you are going to see this document. It says commas practice online, all right? And it says here for each section, read each sentence and add the commas where they belong. So of course we learned 8 comma rules. So yes, there are 8 sections, okay? So the first rule says use a comma to separate items in a list, okay? So then you are doing the examples that are there. So the first one's been done for you. The weather forecast shows rain for Monday. I needed to add a comma behind Monday. Tuesday, a comma behind Tuesday, because this is, of course, our Oxford or serial comma that Mrs. Mel would really like you to use for clarification. And Wednesday, okay? So here, the second one says, we recycle papers, plastic bottles, and aluminum cans. So I'm just going to do this one real quick. Papers, comma, plastic bottles, Oxford, comma, add that in, and aluminum cans, okay? So you get the idea. You're going to do the same thing for the third sentence, and then on each comma rule, there's a fourth block there, and that is where you're going to type your example sentence. So this is where you would type, let's see, Mrs. Mel loves chocolate, ice cream, and chips. This is not true because I really don't like chips, but I was trying to think of something different. So you're making your own sentence up, okay? It can be about you. It can be about a make-believe person. It doesn't matter, okay? Making your own sentence up. Do you have to highlight your commas and your sentence? No, you do not, okay? Just make sure that you're adding the commas to the 3 sentences, and then you're also completing your last, your own sentence in each one, okay? Again, this is going to be fairly quick, probably take you about 20 minutes to go through all of these, adding commas where they belong. Refer to your notes if you need to, okay? Remember when you visited those stations and you have that document that gives you those examples if you need them, okay? So refer to your notes if you need them. And remember to reach out to me too if you have any questions or concerns. So when you complete these, and that means all 8 of them, okay, you complete all 8, you submit your assignment through Schoology, okay? Now this is worth classwork points, so you're gonna wanna make sure that you do this, okay, when you're done, okay? Remember, you're not finished for the day, okay? So let me go back here to Schoology and show you the error analysis. It is also a OneDrive document that is attached, okay? So you just open it up, and this should be very simple and easy. Instead of working in sentences, we're now working in a paragraph, okay? So this paragraph is actually talking about American Idol, the TV show. And it talks about a Chris Medina and a Jennifer Lopez, okay? Juliana Ramos, all right? And what you're going to do is the commas were completely left out of this paragraph. The person who wrote this paragraph did not use commas. So you are adding the commas to make the paragraph correct. And I do want you to kind of highlight where you're making changes here so that I can quickly and easily check through that. This is more for me to make sure that you are able to do that in a paragraph, not just a sentence. And there are multiple different types of examples and rules that you will see in this paragraph. Make sure again that you are submitting into Schoology. Hit that submit button when you are finished with your document. Okay, please come to see me if you have any questions. I don't have office hours today, but I can always make time to meet with you in the afternoon if you need to meet with me. So just message me, and like I said, I'm available to meet with you in this afternoon after my last class. So good luck, and I will see you on Monday.